Let me now invite you to a video test drive, and the car behind me is one of our MX-30 prototype vehicles. And normally those vehicles are strictly confidential, and we are showing this car today exclusively to you. When we are talking about prototype vehicles, you have to understand that we have many areas which will be not finalized so far. For example, the door panel and the fit and finish is not finalized, and also some warning lamps will be on. Nevertheless, this is a dynamic prototype, and we can already evaluate today the outstanding good performance in the dynamic area of the MX-30. Let me show you the trunk before we start the test drive. And as you can easily see, there's enough space for your daily life and for a vacation trip as well. So, let me first of all adjust the seat. The MX-30 offers a really natural and supportive driving position. And in addition to this, I will find here a cockpit which places me, the driver, directly in the center of the vehicle. And that's really important for our human-centric philosophy, because I can operate everything while I maintain in my ideal driving position. Here we have the new developed electrical gear shift system of the MX-30, and we decided by intention to have the gear shift system here in this position, because this is the most easiest way to operate a gear shift system. So you can see my smiling face because now I'm driving the MX-30. This car feels so natural. And one reason of this is that we have a complete new developed electric motor pedal, and this reacts directly to driver's intention by monitoring the pedal speed and pedal stroke to provide always the expected amount of torque. And that's why this car feels so natural. You might recognize that in the MX-30 we have shift pedals on the steering wheel, and you ask yourself why? Because an EV doesn't have gears to shift. And you are right. But we add the new functions here, and by these pedals you can adjust the acceleration and deceleration behavior of the MX-30 in 5 steps. I think you recognized already that it's quite easy for me to talk in this video, and one reason for this is that the MX-30 has a really silent cabin. We have here a perfect NVH performance, and this makes it easy for me to talk to you in this video, and it will be really easy for you in your own MX-30 to talk to your passengers or to enjoy the Bose sound system. What you now hear is our completely new developed, unique electric vehicle engine sound, which mirrors the delivered torque and intensity through the audio system. And that's really important because by this, the driver, but also the passengers, gets a feedback about the acceleration and deceleration behavior of the vehicle. Our range of eye-active sense systems helps us to create a stress-free and safe environment to experience joyful driving. I think you got a lot of really nice impressions today about the MX-30, about my own impression, and I wish you a lot of fun with your own MX-30.